In this video, you'll learn how to buy USDT using the MoonPay app. This process will guide you through each step required to complete your purchase efficiently and effectively. Start by launching the MoonPay app on your device. If you do not have the app installed, you will need to download it from your device's app store. Once you open the app, you'll be greeted with the main interface, which includes options for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Next, locate and click on the option that says Buy. This will direct you to a new screen where you can proceed with your purchase. After this step, you may notice a loading indicator as the app prepares the necessary resources for the next actions. Once the new screen appears, find and select Buy Crypto. This option will let you specify the type of cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. You should see a variety of coins listed on this screen, which will allow you to choose your desired asset. After that, click on Select Assets. This will present you with a list of available cryptocurrencies. You will want to find and click on Popular Tokens to access a curated cryptocurrencies. At this point, you can click on the search bar. This allows you to enter the name of the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, type in USDT, and watch for the search results to populate. It is important to ensure you are selecting the correct asset to avoid any purchasing errors. Next, click on USDT from the search results. This action confirms your selection and takes you to a new page that will allow you to specify the amount you wish to purchase. Ensure that the amount you select aligns with your investment strategy. Now, type in the amount of USDT you want to buy. Be mindful of your available funds and any potential transaction fees, as these can affect the total amount you will need to pay. Take a moment to double check this entry before proceeding. After entering the amount, click on Continue with USDT. This will lead you to a summary page where you can review your purchase order. It is advisable to confirm that all details are correct before moving forward. Once the summary appears, click on Confirm Order. This action will finalize your order and prepare it for processing. You may see a progress indicator as the app processes your request. Following this, click on Buy. This will initiate the payment process. The app may take a few moments to confirm your order and prepare for the payment stage. Next, click on Pay With. Here, you will be presented with various payment options. Depending on your preferences, you can choose from options such as Apple Pay, debit card, or credit card. After making your payment choice, a message will prompt you to choose how to pay. This step ensures that you are aware of your selected payment method before continuing. Now, select Apple Pay if that is your preferred method. Alternatively, you can click on debit card or credit card based on your payment preference. Once you select your payment method, you will see a message displaying the total to pay. Review this amount carefully to ensure it matches your expectations and budget. Following this, click on Deliver To. This step allows you to specify where you would like your USDT to be delivered, ensuring the transaction is directed to the correct wallet. Finally, click on Pay. This will complete your transaction. You should receive a confirmation message once the payment has been processed, indicating that your USDT purchase was successful. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.